So on those busy weeknights when I need something that is fast, delicious, and inexpensive, Carne Asada fits the bill. This marinade has tons of great flavor, and I love it because I'm going to do multiple packs of this. I'm going to mix the marinade up once. I shopped for it once, but we're going to have some for dinner tomorrow and then some packages for another night in the future, so that when I'm too busy to make something really good that everybody's going to want to eat, I have something in my freezer already ready to go. This is a 5-pound package of flat meat from Costco, and it breaks down to $3.25 per quarter-pound portion. Now we get to mix up our marinade in a large measuring cup. For this bigger batch of marinade, we're going to start with a cup of orange juice, a third of a cup of honey, 1/2 up to 1 cup of soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic smashed and minced, the zest and the juice from 2 limes. If you're feeling spicy, we've got some chili powder, cumin, pepper, a little salt. Cilantro haters, avert your eyes. A little avocado oil. Yes, you like see the layers of flavor. I also love doing it this way because then I only have to clean up once. I hate cleaning up. All right, this is a lot of meat. I may actually have to make a second batch. Let's see what's in this pack. And we're gonna pour it over our meat. When you vacuum seal or save your meat in a zip top bag, whichever way you're going to do it, try and spread it out to a single layer because that makes it better marinated, and it's easier to thaw out after it's frozen. You can rub it in if you want to. Wink, wink. All right, I've got, my roommates are home, ignore them. I've got 3 beautiful packages here ready to go, so stick with me, don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we cook it, and it's delicious and yummy, and I can't wait. Alrighty, y'all, it's dinner time. So my grill is set to, I just got up to 425 degrees. We're going to get this carne asada on, and it's going to cook for about 8 minutes per side. Oh my gosh, this already smells so good. Okay, we're halfway through. Smells good, looks good. We're also going to do some corn because I like it when I can do one of my side dishes on the grill. All right, let's cut into it and see how we did. Okay, so one thing when you're cutting flat meat is you want to make sure you cut it the correct way. So I cut in these sections, and then we're going to cut it like so. Cooper, you ready to try some? Okay. All right, fam, let's see how we did. Everybody gets to try a little piece. Right. I like the little charred edges where the honey kind of caramelized. It was tender though.
It's so good. Did you put honey in this?
I did. Can you taste it?
Figured. Now this is bussin'.
More bussin' for me.
Alrighty, guys. My name is Alexis. You've been watching Fancy Apron Cooking. I like to share easy recipes for busy moms. As you can see, I'm cooking for my family, kid-approved meals. This freezer-friendly carne asada marinade and quick weeknight dinner is sure to please. Thanks for watching.
Hey, I don't like it. I love it.